we're all in the same boat here, guys.
Yeah.
You know, we all do the same thing. Anything we can do to help one another out, we should. Or if you have a bigger load in the house, say you've got a spa or a whirlpool tub, you know, or something that you really want, you know, a 50, 60 amp line.
Powerful control features of the RS-13A and RS-20A.
These are pre-packaged residential generators, fueled on natural gas, okay? So the first one is that RS-13, that's a copy of the one that was here. The one that was here is the next one up, which was the RS-20. Then when you take the big step into the RS-30, you're now into a 4-cylinder, 1800 RPM, water-cooled engine. It's a large step in dollars, but this is a machine. This thing will just sit there and run no problem. The other thing that we're looking into right now is that we're going to some different oil filter manufacturers and we're trying to source a larger oil filter. So that engine on an RS-20 holds 1.8 quarts of oil. That engine is turning at 3,600 RPM. There's a lot of steel winging around in there really, really fast with not a lot of oil in it. We got one of our rental units that's running, it's still running since Sandy. That engine holds 50 gallons of lube oil. We're changing it every 250 hours.
That's what I'm saying, yeah, 300 hours, that's right.
That's 10 days. That's every 10 days since Sandy came, we're changing the oil. 50 gallons a shot. Wow.
I have some big customers that, you know, obviously they don't want to buy the generator, a 500K or 750K, and not use it, you know, so what's the plan of having, pay for something to have it delivered before the storm? I've seen generators that were at buildings before the storm, like they anticipated that they were going to lose power.
Well, again, guys, we have the two companies. Electrical Power Systems has become the rental/service company, service arm of the organization, and Academy Electric is the labor to do the installation work. So we have 4 mechanics on the road every day doing service work. I also have about, I think I'm almost up to 30 now, trailer-mounted diesel generators that we rent. Okay? The light tower that's outside is not just a light tower. That generator that's in the back end of that thing is a 20 kilowatt. Most light towers have an 8. The problem with diesel is the engine is expensive. Remember that whole 80% thing we discussed earlier? If 80% of the cost of the generator is the engine, and we step up to a diesel, we're stepping up big in dollars. But some people just don't want to rely on the gas company to run their bigger generators. And then diesel, when you get in the 100 kilowatt range, there's really not a difference in the cost of the generator, gas versus diesel. Because now we're into a massive gas engine. That is the 8.2 or 8.4 liter GM big block with a turbocharger to get 100 kW out of it on natural gas. And we need like 1.4 million BTU. That's a lot of gas. A lot of gas. I want to be your generator guy. I'm not here to get an electrical customer. Some of you guys have used us in the past, and I've proven to them that I am the generator guy. I may come on your job with you, and we're both electrical contractors, but I am the generator guy. And that's all I want to be. Thank you very much for your attendance.